Log into PageMajik and click on the project you are working on. Go to Chapters and single-click on a chapter and click Editor to open the file in Editor. Click on Draft View and Group View. To insert an image into the file, click on Insert menu and then on the picture icon. This will open up the Insert Image pop-up, which has two panes, the top showing all the images from the image gallery, and the bottom pane showing the images inserted into the file. By default, the gallery displays each image with its corresponding file name. At the top right corner are options to search and toggle display without the image. This will be especially useful when there are several files in the gallery and you wish to see these in a compact display. Below this is a list of selection criteria, legend, orientation, and position. The plus icon alongside is used to map an image to its caption. The Image Only button allows you to insert images inline. Clicking on an image toggles from selection to deselection and the other way around. To map an image or a set of images to a caption, click on a caption from the drop-down and then click on the related image. Now click on the plus icon to map the two. You can continue to do this for the remaining captions in the file and then click on X to exit the Insert Image pop-up. To insert an image inline, place your cursor at the insertion point in the file and then click on the Insert menu and then the picture icon. Click on the image you wish to select and then on the Image Only button at the bottom of the pop-up window. You can also insert more than one image at a time. The pop-up window will close automatically, indicating the completion of the action. You will see the inserted image at cursor point.